You like those cars? Those are from Nikki and Matthew. Watch out for the fireplace. They're nice. You like them? Can you say car? Michael, can you say car? On the furniture. Fabulous. Yes. Oh, on the ottoman. All of it on the ottoman. Great. That won't scratch. Oops. That won't scratch the leather. Perfect. Okay. You parking it?